So now, before working on this profile picture upload, there is a issue which I just got to know, that if I am visiting this user profile, now here I can see we have this follow button. Instead, I should see unfollow. Now the reason for that is, this is our local state and the value of this is getting destroyed when we are navigating to other state, right? So we should not hardcode this value to true or false, right? So instead we should write some better logic. So what I will do, I will cut this, Control X, and I will put this in here, right? Okay. Now in here, I will be writing state. So state has the details of the user, right, who is logged in. State dot we can access followers, FOLLOWER followers, FOLLOWERS followers dot includes INCLUDES, not like this, INCLUDES. So we can add this include method in this array, right? If this followers array includes the ID which we are getting in here, right, then we want to show unfollow button, right? So now this result will return us true, right? But I want to evaluate this result to false, right? Because I want to show unfollow button, right? If this user ID exists, if user ID exists in this followers array, right? Okay. Now this state may take a little bit time to become available, right? So here I can write expression if state is available, then do this, else we can return maybe true. So yeah, we will be able to see the follow button for just a 1 second maybe, or just a millisecond, and then again when this state is available, then this follow button will change to unfollow. Okay, so now let's save this logic, right, and let's see if this follow button changes to unfollow. Nope, maybe state is not available. Let's see, we have a state available. Let's see the logic again. If state is available, state dot followers followers dot includes user ID, and it's perfect. We should be able to see unfollow instead of the follow. Let me see the state. Oh, I guess I need to add that in the following array, right? Yeah. Not in the followers, instead in FOLLOW following array, I guess. Let's save this. Yeah, because this I'm following this user, right? So it still didn't work. Following, I am following this user. So I think this is the correct logic. This should work definitely. Let's refresh this. Maybe for some reason this is not working. And let's go to home, right, and let's now navigate, and oh, now it is working. So this was really strange. Yeah, but it is working now. Now here I can see unfollow. Now I can unfollow this user, right, and I can again follow this user. Okay, it is working, right? If I go back to my home screen and if I navigate the user, I should see unfollow button. Okay, it is working. Okay, so now let's work on this user profile upload. Okay, so first come up in the sign up screen, right? Maybe we will be adding a little field of image and the URL, right? So const image and set image and use state. This will be initially empty. I can duplicate this and I will create one more, that is URL and set URL, and initially this will be also empty. Okay, so now let's go to our create a post, yeah, this one, and let's copy the tag of image of this, yeah, this one. So it is starting from in here, and yeah, not this, we need to cover this as well, yeah, this whole stuff, right? Yeah, Control C, and maybe we will come into the bottom, and here we will show this in here. Okay, I can remove this extra space. Okay, so now we have this already added here. We can add upload UPL OAD upload pic. Okay, and we have the set image already. Yeah, the set image already uh, written, and that is will be equal to e.target.file and 0. And let me see if everything is correct in here. Okay, so I'll save this file and let's have a look how it looks like. So I will log out and I will go to sign up and upload pic. Okay, it's beautiful. Okay, it's looking beautiful. Okay, so now let's copy the code of uploading image from our create post, and we have that already written, right? So yeah, this one we can copy this. Okay, and we can go to which screen, sign up screen, and we will create maybe a function, right? Const upload pic, control V. Okay, UPLOAD. Okay, now this upload pic will be completely optional. User will be able to add the profile picture maybe later, right? So this will be an optional stuff, optional field. So let me think of little bit logic, right? So if this image is not null, that means user has uploaded profile picture, right? Okay, so we can use this logic, right? Now in here we can write maybe if image exist, right, then we can then we can upload image. So I can call this upload pic, control C and control V, right? And I want to call this. Now if that's the case, and we can add a else we can post this data, right? Post this name, email and password. You know what, I'll create a one more functional const. First of all, I'll minimize it because there's too much of the code. Okay, const UPLOAD upload FIELDS fields maybe, and I will copy this all the stuff in here. Control X, and I will put this in here, upload fields, control V, right, like so. And if image is not exist, if this image is empty, then we can call this one, upload fields, control C and control V, like so. And yeah, so if user has not uploaded image, then we will only post the fields, right? That is name, what is that name, email and password. Now if user has uploaded this, then we will call this upload pic, right? We will call this upload pic. Now here we will be adding use effect as well, right? So we will be adding use effect well. So if this URL has got updated, right, if this state has updated, right, now if this URL state has the URL of the image, then we will fire a callback to again post this fields, right? We will again call this upload field, right? Okay, so we can write the logic of that in use effect. Use do we have use effect? No. First import, we need to import that use effect, and use effect, and I will be passing in here in this dependency array URL if URL changes, and when this URL will change, when we upload the image, right? Okay, now here I will be adding if condition because I don't want this use effect to kick in when component mounts, and I want this use effect to only kick in when image has successfully uploaded. So here if this URL exists, then only we need to call upload field, this function. Control C, Control V, like so. Okay, so let's save this, right? And this logic should definitely work, right? So I'll be going to sign up. Let's first try to upload this with the empty fields, invalid email. Okay, so we are doing validation now on the front end as well, right? Okay, so maybe we will be adding a profile picture. Let's first, maybe I can sign up with Suresh, Suresh, and email will be Suresh at the rate suresh.com, and the password will be 1234, and maybe we can upload the picture of the Suresh, right? Maybe this one, right? And sign up. Oh, this will not work, or this will work but this profile will not get uploaded because we haven't written a logic for that on the back end. This is terrible, really. This was terrible. We haven't written a logic on the back end, right? So we need to write the logic on the back end as well. So I'll go to the server. Inside this we have this auth, right? And first of all we need to go again to this front end. Where is that? Sign up. And when we are calling this, not this, where is the field? Yeah, this. Here we will be adding one more, that is pic, and pic will be equal to URL, like so. So we have this pic, right? So we are sending this pic. So let's save this, and we will go to again our auth routes, and while signing up we don't need to check for the profile because that's an optional thing. And in here we can mention the pic, and this will be maybe pic, and this will be pic. We will be receiving that from the front end, right? So maybe we can destructure that, right? Pic, and pic will be equal to pic. Okay, one more stuff we need to add that in the model as well. Yeah, okay, so here we will be adding pic, right? And pic will have type string, and we will be adding default pic, DEFA default. Now what I will do, I have opened this Cloudinary, right? And I will upload a one default pic. Maybe I can click on this browse, right? And I will navigate to this folder. I will upload this pic, right? This no image pic. Control C and Control V. I will upload this. Okay, let me see. Upload is done, right? So I will copy the URL, right? And I will use this as a default pic if user has not uploaded. So in here I can pass this default pic, right? Okay, if user forgot to upload their picture, right? So yeah, this will be a logic now. And what else we want? We have done, right? Now we are getting the pic from the front end, and that is completely optional. If user will not post the pic, then the default URL will be used. Okay, and when user is getting signed in, where is that? Here we will be sending pic to the front end as well, right? And we need to write that in here as well. Okay, and I will save this, and let's go to the profile page. Yeah, and in here, where is the URL? So this time we don't need to use this URL, right? Am I doing correct? Yeah. Okay, so I can get rid of this URL now, and in here I can write if state is available, then state is available, then I can return, then I can use state dot pick, right? Else maybe I can return empty quotes like so, or maybe I can put loading text in here. Let's save this. Now we will go to this user profile as well, and we will add the pick in here as well, right? Yep. So we have access to that. In this user profile we have user, and yeah, so in here we can write, I'm not sure if this will work. If we got any error, then we will solve it. In this user profile we will have this time a user, and we will have pick of that, right? Yeah. Right. Okay, let's save this, right? And should we test this one more time? Everything is written right here. Okay, so first of all, maybe we can go to database, and no, first let's sign up a user with the pick, right? With a pick this time. Okay, so maybe RA, not I'll be using Hitesh, HITESH Hitesh, and the email will be HITSHHitesh@HITHitesh.com, and password will be 1234. I'll upload a pic of Hitesh, let's say this one, right? I will click on the sign up, and let's wait for a few seconds. Depending on the internet speed, this may take a little longer if the internet speed is slower. And sign in saved successfully. I will go to database and I will see if the URL has saved. First of all, we will verify that in here, right? Not in this post. We will click on this user instead. Oh yes, it has saved, right? So here you can see we have this pick available, right? Here you can see we have this pick available, right? Okay, so now let's log in, right? So HITSHHitesh@HITSHitesh.com, and HITSH, and the password was 1234. Let's log in, right? So now let's click on this profile. Here we can see Hitesh, and Hitesh picture is loading. Beautiful, isn't it? Isn't it beautiful? I'm loving honestly, to be honest, right? Okay, and let's have a look on our state if there is a pick available. Yeah, we have this pick available in the state because we logged in, then we just wrote the logic to send the pick right in here in this auth route, right? Yeah, this one. So we have this state available pick in this state, right? Now maybe in this home screen, now you can show the pick as well in maybe little pick in here, right? As actual Instagram application has, and that's a kind of a homework for you guys. You already have the pick available in your state, right? So you need to just show that in here, right? No, maybe not here. This is the post created by Mukesh, right? Yeah, so yeah, you can show the post pick of this Mukesh as well, right? Let's navigate to Mukesh. Now right now this Mukesh doesn't have a profile picture, right? Right now this Mukesh doesn't have a profile picture because Mukesh, so we can see we have this default profile picture because Mukesh has not uploaded it, right? Okay, so you can show this default, the profile picture of this, right? In here, maybe in this here, a little circle, right? So that's a kind of a homework for you. You can do that by yourself. It's not at all a big deal, right? Okay, because we have done a lot of complicated stuff, right? So I think everything is working. This should be empty because I am not following anyone, right? Yeah, so yeah, this is working, right? This is working. So we have successfully uploaded the image. Now in the next video, now first, let's try to again log out. I will again log out, right? I will try to sign up without uploading a pic. Let's see if I'm able to do that. So I will log in with, let's say this time, with the name of, let's say, Parth, P-A-R-T-H, Parth. Email will be parth@parth.com, and the password will be 1234. We will not upload the profile picture. Let's sign up. And yeah, still we are able to do that. I'll log in with the Parth, P-A-R-T-H, Parth P-A-R-T-H, Parth, P-R-T-H.com, and 1234. Let's log in. Parth, what was the email? Let me refresh this because I forgot the email maybe. Parth. Oh, it was Part, P-A-R-T. Oh, I just made a typo, P-A-R-T. Okay, let's log in. And now if I go to profile, I should see this empty. Let me go to this, and the pic is empty as of now. Why is that a case? Oh, I think I just wrote a logic to show empty. Let's have a look on our state, right? Yeah, we have this pic empty. Let me see why this is empty. Let's figure that out. So I think that is empty because when we are signing up, let me go to sign up page. Where is the sign up page? Okay, this URL is empty right now. If we are not changing this will evaluate to this empty, and we are sending this empty code from in here. So we should write maybe a better logic in here. We should not write directly this URL, right? Maybe in here I can write null. Yeah, instead of empty, maybe I can write null, right? Okay, we will now let's try this, right? I will log out. I will sign up a different user, maybe ABHI Abhi, and the email will be abhiabhi@abhiabhi.com, and the password will be 1234. We will sign up and we can log in, abhiabhi@abhi.com, and the password 1234. Login, and if I go to profile, what the hell is this? This is something visible. Let's inspect this. There is something in here in this image, or maybe we can go to our components. Oh, this pic is with null is also getting saved. This is really terrible. Now instead of null I will write undefined. Now this will work for sure. Undefined, yes. Now final try. Okay, log out and I will sign up. Maybe I will write a random AB, right? The name is ab@ab.com, and password 1234. Sign up, and ab@ab.com, ab.com, and the password 1234. Login, and if I go to this profile, okay, now it is working finally. So undefined work for us, right? So right now this undefined is being sent to URL if we are not updating this URL, right? And if this is undefined, then our backend is evaluating this field, right? Where is that? Where is the auth? Where is this auth? Yeah, so we are getting undefined in this pic. So pic is undefined, so default pic is being default URL of this pic is used, that is defined in the model. right? This one. So I know these things are a little bit complicated, but it's not that tough to understand, right? Okay. So yeah, maybe in the next video we will allow users to, let's say, update this profile picture, right? So far we haven't seen anything related to update. No, we have done the update, right? So we have done the update operation on when user like on the post, when user follow someone. So that was the update operation, right? So we will learn this one more thing. We will allow user to update their profile, right? Okay. After sign up, if the user didn't uploaded their profile picture, then we will allow the users to update that, right? So I'll see you guys in the next video.